It's too dangerous here. No. I'll not take this risk. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of my motorcycle adventures. Today I'm planning to do some off-road. I'm going to a peak nearby Sofia. It's in the so-called Lyulin mountain. Okay, I'll filter the traffic here. Guys, tell me what is your opinion about filtering the traffic going between the cars. Is it something you do? Is it something you support? As I said, today we're gonna do some off-road. We're going to Lyulin mountain and we're gonna go to the peak Dupevitsa, I think. A friend of mine told me that over there is very interesting military base from the 80s. Okay, so this is the hut, the cabin we should go to, and from this cabin we will continue further for the peak. Okay guys, so this is where the pavement ends, and from now on it would be like a mixture: gravel, dirt, asphalt leftovers. Bonsuvi Polani hut, it's over here. Actually, I've been here with my colleagues. Cheers to my team, cheers to my colleagues if they're watching this video. This is the hut I was talking about. Very nice place. They have food over there, they have beverages, they have internet. So if you consider home office solution or just to bring your family here, I would recommend it. So I knew the road up to here. From now on, I don't know what to expect. I will pay some extra attention because you see how it is. Oh guys, it's a little bit hardcore. I'm not gonna lie. Woohoo! It's sliding, some drift. Whew. Okay, let's see what we will find here. There's some barbecue place, and look at that view above Sofia. Let's find now this secret military base. I'll go back. I got a feeling it should be over there close to the antennas. I also saw some people on the way, so I will ask them. Yeah, the army was maintaining that road, but since this base is not used anymore, it's abandoned for many years. As you can see, it's more potholes and dirt than asphalt, but it's fine for me. Okay, there's some ruins here. It seems like it's, yeah, these are the leftovers from the military base. Let me take a look. Whew. What does it look like? What is it meant for? The concrete is very thick, as you can see, it's like a meter, so I would say it's like a bomb shelter. It's interesting. What was it used for? It must be a bomb shelter. It looks like such. Okay, there's some rooms here. Okay. What do you think it was used for, guys? It's from the time of the Cold War. So, and back then we were part of the Soviet Union. So it might be some kind of, secret base for investigation or bomb shelter. Let's get out of here. My Honda is waiting for me. Let's go to the peak itself. Okay, more ruins. Okay, the peak should be this way. It looks higher. Or maybe it's between this road and the other one. Let's see. It should be over there. Okay. Can I make the U-turn here? What would you say? I don't think so. No. It's too steepy and too narrow. Maybe here, yes. Let's try to make it here. Let's see where the cross was. Oh, it should be here. Since there is a path, it should be here. Hoppa! Okay, it's over there. It works for me. Peak Dupevitsa. Hello for me. That is over there. This is Sofia. Now it's time to go back. I don't know if it will be as fun as the way up, but let's see. Let's do that. Okay, it's steep here. Opa! I wish I had the rear shift. Someone skipped the leg day. In that kind of terrain, it's easier to ride standing, but I realized that when I stand, the point of view is not that good. I'm going down. I will just stop by the hut. I hope this is the right road. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not good with orientation. I'm always getting lost, always. If this is not the right way, then I'm screwed, because as you can see, it's a very, very narrow road and I cannot make a U-turn here. See? Do you remember me passing under a fallen tree? Because I don't. And I don't think it's the road. But still, let's see where it will take us. Maybe it will be a secret gem in the nature of Bulgaria. Some waterfall. Oi! Okay. Okay, I'll give it a try. No. No way. Let me see where does it go, but no, it's too steepy, and the odds, the bike to no, oh my god, no, this is not where I had to take. Damn. Here it looks flat, but the critical point is up there. So let me see what I can do. I hope you can see how steep it is and how big the incline is over there where I stopped. And the road is falling apart at some point, so for me the best option would be to go back, but I cannot make the U-turn. It's too tight, it's too narrow. It's too dangerous here. No. I'll not take this risk. If the bike falls here, it might be done, you know. If it's rolling down the hill, it will be done. So I decided to go down with the bike. This is the most dangerous place. I hope. Woo! Oh my god. Yes! It was a deadly place. Can I pass through this? Yes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for my channel down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.